Well, my name is Jason. I work here at Colpar's Hobbytown in Aurora, and my main thing that I like to do is RC drifting. So basically what my chassis is with my car is RRX, and that's the rear mount motor chassis. Zach, my other tech named Zach, his is the Yakima YD2. So it's a mid-mount motor, and there's like upgrade parts for him you can do, make them look more stylish. You can make your car look realistic much as possible. That's what I like to do, is make my cars look more realistic as much as possible. So cool thing is why there's no body post is we have magnetic body post. So it's all magnetized with no body post at all. So his is a YD2S and it's all stock. So with mine is actually the MST RRX, has the rear mount motor, but there is like a couple other MST chassis that are front mount motor, rear wheel drive, all wheel drive. But the one I mostly like is the RRX, which is the motor mounted on the rear to kind of give me that weight mostly on the back. And all the aluminum parts that you see on it, you can upgrade them to red, black, silver aluminum parts for it.